Hello and welcome into the world of finance where we represent the letter X. Letter X stands for Xenocurrency in financial terms. Hello, this is Miss Smiti and with my co-partner Miss Preksha.
Xeno- Xenocurrency is a currency. Xenocurrency is a currency of financial market. Trades in a financial market. It is basically a financial currency. Foreign currency. The name derives a Greek prefix called xeno, meaning foreign. Benefits of investing in xenocurrency are higher potential for growth, sustainability, diversification, low transaction fees, and transparency. Why sustainability? Xenocurrency is a digital currency. It's a digital currency backed by a renewable energy. This makes it a sustainable investment option, which is worth considering. Why higher potential for growth? Investing in Xenocurrency is a sustainable investment option and which is for higher potential growth, diversification, low transaction fees and transparency benefits.
Why diversified? The Xenocurrency helps you diversify your portfolios as it lets you explore the market of explore the market. Why low transaction fees? With traditional methods of asset transaction, it was very difficult and costly as well as very time taking. With Xenocurrency, with it helps you with less time and it's very useful. White transparency here. Each light represents a specific bank. Yellow light represents the bank. Blue light represents non-banking funds. Green light represents the mutual funds and others. And the pink represents the shareholders. So each shareholders know that what Xenocurrency is, where the money is being transferred, and where each and everything knows where it is going.
Xenocurrency plays an efficient role in traditional trading, finance, and investment. Thank you for giving us chance to explain the word Xeno. I hope you understand.